Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential details. Make sure your profile reflects your current role, company, and headline. Next, collect the facts: new title, official promotion date, and 2 or 3 measurable wins you can share. Once done, update or select a recent, professional photo and a 1-sentence summary of what changed. Don't spend time polishing wording yet. Begin the entry now so you own the timeline and avoid delays that derail visibility and momentum. You now add the promotion under Experience. Click the plus icon and choose Add Position. Fill in the exact new title, pick the employer from the drop-down to preserve company linking, and set the correct start month and year. Then write a short, outcome-driven description that highlights promotion-worthy achievements. Include numbers when you can. Make sure the checkbox for current position is correct, and save. Once this is live, your network can see the change, so craft the message with clarity and proof. You finish by publicly announcing the promotion. Write a concise post thanking collaborators, stating your new role, and noting the impact you aim to deliver. Then update your headline and About section so recruiters see the change immediately, and pin any related posts or media to your profile. If the company logo or link doesn't show, try reselecting the company entry, sign out and back in, or clear cache. These fixes usually resolve display issues quickly, so your profile looks polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.